Hello, hope everyone's having a great day. Today I got something really cool in the mail. I got my Beis shipment. Beis is an online luggage company owned by Canadian actress Shay Mitchell, and this bag has been seen all over Instagram. It is incredibly aesthetic and very popular among influencers. At first glance, I love this packaging. It's very simple. It seems very well put together. I ordered 2 bags from them, the convertible weekender and the mini weekender. My first impression of the feel is that the canvas is really durable, and reading up on it, it has a water-resistant lining inside to help protect your belongings from any liquids that might splash on the bag. It feels really comfortable under my arm. It is a larger bag than I would normally buy. I'm more of a backpack traveler, but I really do appreciate this very large size. I also appreciate the fact that it has studs on the bottom of the bag and it has the pass-through for your roll-on luggage. I especially appreciate that it has that zipper that you can open and close it so it doesn't get snagged on anything. The convertible part of this weekender bag is the removable bottom compartment where you can put shoes or dirty clothes or maybe a wet bathing suit. I really appreciate this, and I think everyone else would as well because it has a mesh lining over it. All of these zippers feel really quality, like they're not going to break at the first sign of stress. And I think that it's a really awesome concept that I wish more brands would incorporate. The cool thing about being able to remove the bottom compartment is that it's still turned into a really pretty bag that you can take with you anywhere you're going during your trip. And it is still big. Even as the mini weekender version, it has a ton of space for a beach or for a work trip or for really anything that you're going to do. It has a ton of space and a ton of pockets, really. The purse is larger than I would normally wear on a trip. However, it does have the leather bottom to help protect your belongings. Compared to the removable bottom, which has the studs, makes it a little easier to sit on the ground, maybe a little more protection. I like that it still has a safe bottom even without that compartment, that shoe compartment, laundry compartment, whatever you want to use it for. It took me a couple of tries to get the zippers aligned to put the compartment back on the bag, but once I did, it was super easy. These zippers are clearly a higher quality, they're easy to use and super smooth. I really appreciate the thought that went into this. I didn't think there would be that much difference between the mini weekender and the original weekender, but this is the original weekender and it is significantly larger than the mini weekender. You can even see when you compare the bottoms of the bags that the mini weekender has 4 studs on the bottom and the original weekender has 5 studs on the bottom. Versions are almost exactly the same besides their size. However, one difference is the body strap that comes with it. The smaller one comes with more of a leather type strap, while the bigger one comes with more of a knit strap that's bigger and will be easier on your shoulders. So let's get packing. First, I want to make sure that I have my work computer just in case I ever have to do any work. This laptop is significantly smaller than my personal MacBook, but my personal MacBook fit just fine. I enjoy that this laptop sleeve has additional pockets that are perfect for extra chargers, my MacBook charger and my iPhone chargers, and it comes straight out of the bag. I even had to check if the mini weekender has the same function, and it also has a removable laptop sleeve, which is great. Next, Next, I want to make sure that I add my train case, which is full of my makeup, my medications, my hearing aids, my toothbrush, toothpaste, all of those types of toiletries. It fit perfectly and had plenty of room for clothes. Since I'm going camping, I added 4 outfits of shorts and short sleeve shirts, as well as a pair of long pants and a long sleeve shirt with a jacket. And of course, I had to add my swimsuit. This was $5 on Amazon and it actually fit really well, so I'm excited to use it. My giant hydro flask to keep me hydrated, as well as a disposable camera, which I've been into a lot lately. For sleep, I make sure I bring a molded eye mask as well as a satin-lined sleeping cap. It's adjustable and it's also pretty cute. It works as a beanie and it keeps my hair a little bit fresher during the trip so it doesn't break as much. I got both of these items on Amazon. I also threw in my thermal mist since I know it's going to be very hot this summer and it just feels good to have a little bit of mist. Large washcloths in case I can't get to a water source, and of course a towel for after I do some water sports. Can't forget about my cute little purse full of lip gloss and hairpins and hair ties. It fit perfectly in the front pocket. Now with all of that packed, it's pretty solid. It is packed full, but it doesn't feel like it's going to break or tear. It feels really solid. And maybe I should have packed this at the beginning because it became a little more difficult after the bag was packed, but I wanted to pack some shoes. These are my brand new Tevas that I'll be using during stand-up paddleboarding or kayaking and hiking as well. I think that these are really awesome shoes and I never would have liked them before I got into outdoor things, but now they are my favorite types of shoes. And that's it. My overall impression of this bag is that it's a great quality bag, especially for the price point. I definitely look forward to bringing this and the mini weekender on some future adventures. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.